Hey guys, had to show you guys something that I saw recently at our local mall, and there was all this stuff for Valentine's Day to make your own like really cool things. Macaron kit. I was so excited to see this, and $8.98, that's like $6. Once we got home, we had to, of course, translate all those lovely directions. Powdered sugar, almond flour, the packaging, a baggie to pipe. I used my own bowl with water. Unpictured were the sprinkles and the mix for the buttercream.
You can watch while we're building.
Here we're adding the meringue powder to the 20 grams of water required and hand mixing away. You definitely do need the electric hand mixer for this project. The amount of meringue is just too small to really get a handle on it on your own with a whisk. Mixing was supposed to take 3 minutes. We were hesitant, so we took a little longer than 3 minutes, and we also ended up mixing it a lot longer, a lot thicker than it needed to be. But that's okay. We had this as a learning experience. See how thick it was getting? It was so cool. This was just a little bit of water and that powder mix and our hand mixer. Yay. I'd already dumped in about half of the sifted dry mix here, and then here's the other half. My son was not super used to making a macaron batter, but that's okay. He's out of practice. Slowest plop ever. Sorry guys, it definitely could have been thinned out a little bit or not mixed so much for that meringue. I was just so impressed with how thick it got.
Why isn't it squishing?
Just make sure we get every last little bit so we can have as many as we want.
The spleen, it doesn't look very purple.
What?
It didn't look very purple to now.
The color's a little bit weird on this one.
Are you making that icing thing?
No. I'm not.
It does
something
look...
to pipe it with, honey. I have to pipe it, yeah?
Push it down?
Yeah.
No.
Ta-da!
Like
better. From a box. Let's see how it goes.
How we will...
Let me try and do one of them first, though, friends. Stop, Xander. Hold my hand.
Okay, I get you.
Okay, stop. Stop. Get your face off the edge, honey.
10, 11, 12. Like what?
But Carl, how many cookies do we need for one cookie? How many shells do we need? Thank you.
What trick?
The trick is that we need a tiniest bit of water. Leave it, it's fine. The tiniest bit of water to help smooth it out a little bit.
Ooh, good.
The trick here was that we were using the tiniest bit of water to just pat down the tops. I learned this trick originally from Lisa Hay, and she is awesome from Borderlands Bakery. The kit came with these cute sprinkles with the blues and the purples, and my son was super into them. Almost dumped all of them out immediately. Now we wait for them to dry. Are you excited, Xander? You want them to be baked? Yeah, they're not ready yet, but they will be in a little bit. The filling needed only 30 grams of butter plus the powder mix for strawberry cream kind of flavor. It was pretty tasty, pretty sweet for me, but that's okay. And I forgot to mention, but the shells, those purple shells, they had an extra flavor too. I could have sworn it was grape. Don't judge this oven, but I should have watched these a little bit closer and rotated them a little bit earlier in the bake. But you know, for a box kit and just this whole experience, I'm not upset about these uneven feet that they created, and I knew that they were going to be a little bit rough on the bake because of how thick that meringue was. This was the strawberry buttercream filling. It was cute, lots of vibrant colors. Smoosh. Aw. Happy little Macs getting their tops. By the way, the price of this kit converts to $6 USD, $6. Crazy, right? Ta-da! We liked doing this experience together, and we're so grateful for this box kit that was supposed to make 10s a little bit smaller than what we made macarons, plus the packaging that I didn't end up using this time around. We would totally do it again.